Hi, this is Rocker TroubleShooter. We give you instant solutions when you have troubles with Rocker's products. When the pump cannot reach required vacuum. First, please make sure moisture trap and the regulator are both tightly fastened. If still, the vacuum doesn't increase, it might be the moisture trap was cracked or deformed. Please replace the moisture trap with a new one. Turn the moisture trap to remove it. Replace with a new one. Make sure the bottom of the moisture trap is kept horizontal. Fasten it firmly and close the regulator. Let's test. It's good to go.